Look at this. This tractor can barely keep its front wheels on the ground. It's carrying 600 bags of potatoes, and every single bag weighs 55 kilograms. This Mahindra is lugging 33 tons worth of potatoes. Alright, here we have a Ford 3610 tractor. This one's barely got enough power to move it all. This driver's working hard, but the tractor is definitely working harder. Alright, so we've got one tractor pulling another tractor, pulling the trailer behind it. This is going to end well. This trailer is just way too overloaded. But instead of taking some weight out, they've just added another tractor. Come on, boys! Hey, they've got lift off. Bloody good work, fellas.